What are you guys sort of really promoting about yourselves here today at Fintech Connect?
We are finishing up with our seeding round, so we are looking for a little bit of investors, and since this is very fintech specific, we are looking for potential partners because a lot of payment related startups are here, very related to compliance and stuff like that. So we are looking for mostly a little bit of investors and partners as well. So that's basically why we're here.
And what is it that you guys are actually providing? What's your solution?
So we're digitizing the Rosca model. It's very famous, rotating savings and credit associations. And it's very common in over 89 countries and communities around the world. So this model is actually 2,000 years old and still exists today after 500 years of traditional banking. So this model, there are 2.4 billion people doing Roscas today around the world to save and lend money together instead of approaching banks and getting a credit or save money with high interest rates or no access to credit and so on. So what we're doing is digitizing this to take it from the offline world to the modern digital world today, to help people access interest-free credit and reach saving achievements powered by just their social network, not their credit score. We're like a marketplace of helping people do money circles together.
Okay.
So what they do is form a group of peers through their social person network, and let's say it's a group of £1,000 of 10 people. They all contribute €100 every month into a pot, and then at the end of every month, one of them will get the €1,000 out of it. Yeah. So this way, people would access credit without relying on a credit score, but rather on their friends and family. Those towards the end of the circle are forcing themselves to save.
Where do you guys see the future of the whole fintech market? Is there a lot of disruption down the road?
Yeah,
definitely, because there is a lot of things related to connections, for example, stuff like decentralizing the bank, making instead of having a big monopoly in banks, there is a lot of small P2P lending, startups, and we are doing savings and lending to a group, and there's a lot of disruption going on in blockchain, and so basically the infrastructure of the bank itself is slowly changing. So I think fintech is very, very new, and also in the very near future it's going to be huge in India. I think so. Stuff like these kinds of events will help them to accelerate them as much as possible.
And actually how we see fintech is going back to the old days and bringing the principles of banking to the modern world.
Breaking down everything, the complex big system to simple stuff, which is used to be. So that's pretty much what we do as well.
How are you finding the event?
As Ahmed said, we were in TechCrunch as well, but they were not as focused as fintech. So here, everyone you meet is a potential partner or someone who's really specific to fintech. So I think that gives you more value for your time than general events. So that way, this is pretty good.